Hello everyone. Looks like it's about time to discuss about this. We know just about all we need to properly start working with our hands. Just one more detail left, as important as the others. The tools we need. How do we choose them? How many do we need? Are multifunctional tools a good idea? In the following, I will try to respond the best way I can to those questions. Always check the materials the tools are made out of before you buy. Percentages, all details. If in doubt, search for other sellers of the product. Search for reviews from buyers. Chrome vanadium is a good material, for example. Most well known, but most counterfeited too. We are not professionals. We are not car service. We are not interested in brands. We are interested in enough quality to allow getting the job done and to avoid buying the same tool twice. Check the sets. They must be complete. No missing sizes. It's frustrating when you need a 7 but all you have is a 6 or 8 because in trying to save money, an inferior quality set was bought. We never economize on quality, only on superficiality as much as possible. Of course, this does not mean we have to start buying trolleys filled with all types of wrenches and tools. A complete set of socket wrenches with extenders, flexible connectors, 2 ratchet handles plus a long one for extra force, a bit set for various screwdriver heads, extendable magnet stick, a couple pairs of various pliers, a hammer, and a multimeter should be enough for the basic issues we encounter most often. Avoid multi-tools and the ones with weird shapes that are presumed to be an awesome new discovery. Rarely they are a good deal, especially on the long term. Also, without experience, it would be best to avoid precision tools dedicated for advanced operations. Using or storing them wrong will ruin them and they will become an endless money pit, and that is not the purpose. We have to learn to work on the car and around it step by step, gradually. For starters, I think it's best to keep focused on working tidy, to know always where to find the tool you need and also to avoid forgetting tools in the engine after finishing the repairs. You'll say that's not enough. Those tools will never be enough for how complex the car mechanics is. I can only say that you are right, obviously, but there is no point in starting to buy all the tools you see until the garage is full. I propose this strategy. Once the minimum set is acquired, don't make any more purchases until you encounter a problem that requires a tool you don't have. More details on establishing issues are available in another video that is also part in this starter kit with our hands. Knowing the issue, speak with the service and ask for a quote price estimate on the repair. Then, see how much it would cost if you do it with your hands, meaning the price of the parts, because you will do the work yourselves. The money difference between the two quotes you split in halves. One you set aside and one you spend on new tools. This way, little by little, to have the car we want that looks and drives as we want is not something so far away and expensive. I will add the materials section, unboxing and reviews through the With Our Hands experience, where you will see all the tools and gadgets I use in case there are any questions on the topic. I will present them objectively from what I've gone through with them. As I've said before, I don't have any type of contract or sponsorship to influence my words. It will be strictly my honest opinion without any specialized experience. If you like it, if it's useful, if you wish to unite and grow the With Our Hands community, hit the like button, subscribe, and if you wish to keep up with the latest info, don't forget about the bell. For any questions or suggestions, please use the comment section. I will respond with a comment or I will even make a video on the topic. All the best to you all. The future is made with our hands.